Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see what is slice function into the JavaScript. So how we can get the data, means selected elements from an array. How we can, whenever we want to fetch some selected elements or some from n number of elements in an array, we want to get some elements like two, three lists from the array and create a new array. Then how we can do that? That we can see into the slice function. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So we'll start with the slice function. Okay, so what is the use of slice function? So slice method returns selected elements in an array as a new array. So whatever the array we have, we can select some specific elements from the array and we can create a new array using the slice method. Slice method selects from a given start point up to a given end, but that point, the end point is not included into the new array. It's up to that point. So let's say we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 elements. So when I say start point is 0 and the end point is 3. So third index is not included. 0, 1 and 2. These elements are only included into the new array. Slice method does not change the original array. It always returns a new array, but it does not change the original array. So that is an as it is array. Okay, what is the syntax for the slice function? So array, whatever the array we have, dot slice in the bracket start position and the end position. Okay, so both these parameters are optional. You can, if you don't pass the start position, then it is taken as default, taken as 0. And if you pass the negative numbers into the start position, then it will take from the last, it will take the negative number from the last elements. Okay, from the end. And end parameter is also an optional parameter, and if you don't pass it, then it will take the last statement, last index of the array. And if you pass the negative number, then also it takes from the in star, it will take -1 -2 from the last element. And what is the return value from this function? So it always return a new array, and new array containing the selected elements. Yeah, so let's get started with the code. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we are into the computer screen. Okay, so I will search for the code pane and code pane JavaScript, and here we will start with the code pane. Let's just minimize this HTML editor because we don't want that. The CSS editor also, as we don't want that one also, and just clear this code. Okay, and just go into the setting. Means I just prefer this. I just off the auto save and auto update preview. So I will just manually run the code. Okay, so let's create an array const, let's say animals, and let's say dog, comma cat, comma horse, elephant, tiger, lion. Let's say we have this many records, this many items in row or array, and maybe I want to fetch only cat and horse and create a new array. And how I can do it that? So using the slice function. So let's say I have uh, let's say I have a result one, and here I will say animals dot slice. So array starts from the zeroth index. So dog have zeroth index, cat have first index, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise. So I want to get that cat. So I'll start from 1. This cat index is 1. And I want to get the horse also. So I will say 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will not take this third element, third index. It will take up to third. So it will take from 1 to up to third. So 1, 2, and it will not take the third one. So That's how the first one. Let's just console it. Let's just try to run the code using this run. So you can see cat and horse is our result. Okay. So now let's just try with the one more with the negative indexes. Okay, negative parameters. Sorry. Const result 2 equals to animals dot slice. Let's say maybe I want to get the same, or maybe I want to get the horse and elephant. Okay, how I will get the horse and elephant using the, let's say, negative indexes. So when we say negative indexes, so this will be 0. So this will be -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so I want to get horse and elephant. So I'll say I want to get horse. So -1, -2, -3, -4. So starting index will be -4. Then I want to get the elephant also. So -1, -2, -3, -4. So -3 and -2. So I need to take up to this tiger. Okay, so just before that elephant is there. So I will take -2 and just try to print result 2. Run the code again, and now the output is, first output is cat and horse, and the second one is horse and elephant, as what we wanted. Okay, so that's how we can use the slice function to fetch the selected elements from an array and create a new array. Okay, it does not change the original array as we see. It always creates a new array, not change the original array. So if you just try to print the animals, so animals will be as it is. Just run again. The dog, cat, horse, elephant, tiger, and lion. So that's how the original array is as it is. Yeah, that's it for today. And please like my video if you really like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.